Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here you can change the time range, so just choose the option which you'd like to use and then tap on Delete Data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on More Options, and here we've got them, so tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So just mark the options and then tap on Delete Data. Of course, here at the top you've got the time range, you have to change it separately, and tap on Delete Data. And basically, this is it. It means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.